Want to sound fluent in English? These 20 real-life sentences will make your speaking smoother with easy examples you'll never forget. Let's start. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Example. You can start dinner. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Let me think about it. Example. He asked me to go on a trip, but I said, let me think about it. That sounds like a plan. Example. She said we'll meet at 7, and I said, that sounds like a plan. I'm not sure about that. Example. She said it's going to rain, but I'm not sure about that. It's up to you. Example. We can watch any movie. It's up to you. I totally agree. Example. He said we should take a break, and I totally agree. Don't worry about it. Example. I spilled some coffee, but she said, don't worry about it. That's a good question. Example. He asked why we celebrate this day. That's a good question. I'll get back to you. Example. About the project details, I'll get back to you tomorrow. Can you give me a hand? Example. This box is heavy. Can you give me a hand? I'm just looking, thanks. Example. The shopkeeper offered help, but I said, I'm just looking, thanks. It doesn't matter. Example. Whether we go now or later, it doesn't matter. You nailed it. Example. Your presentation was amazing. You nailed it. It's not a big deal. Example. He made a small mistake, but I said, it's not a big deal. I'm running late. Example. I texted my friend. I'm running late, I'll be there soon. Let's catch up soon. Example. We haven't talked in months. Let's catch up soon. That makes sense? Example. She explained the situation and I said, that makes sense. I can't wait. Example. The concert is tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm feeling under the weather. Example. I skipped work today because I'm feeling under the weather. I'm in a hurry. Example. I'll talk to you later. I'm in a hurry right now. Like this video? Don't forget to like, comment your favorite sentence, and subscribe to Basha Buddy for more simple and powerful English learning.